HF designs and manufactures machines and equipment for the tire industry, as well as process equipment for the food, feed and pharmaceutical industries. This is our headquarters in Hamburg.
We work very close with our manufacturing plant at HF Bilice.
Every day we exchange information regarding customers, projects, delivery dates and shipments.
Our service team provides all required spare parts to secure smooth operation in our customers' factories.
We are designing our customized components for our curing press because our customer has special requirements for the US market.
No press is from the rack. We sell proven standard machines with individual components due to the different market situations and customer specifications.
Our manufacturing competence is in Bilice, Croatia, but material testings, research and new developments are taking place in Hamburg.
It's important that R&D, engineering and sales work close together to achieve the best results for our customers.
Our training takes place either here in Hamburg or at the customer site.
Once the curing presses are installed at our customer site, we train the service technicians and maintenance people.
Due to the COVID pandemic, traveling has been greatly restricted, and to keep in touch with our customers, we not only have Teams meetings, but we also meet in our virtual halls and present the machines to them. The components of this machine were manufactured in Bilice, but here in Hamburg, comprehensive testing takes place with the customer until they have approved each and every function.
This tire building machine is approved and will be shipped to Indonesia in the next weeks to go in operation at a tire factory.
We moved into this new building and are really enjoying this modern open workspace.
HF has a great variety of people and jobs working under one roof. To keep it running, it needs engineers, sales and service, project management, and of course, controlling, SAP, HR, and many others.
Service and maintenance is extremely important for our customers because they depend on our machines 24 hours a day.
A trustful relationship with our customers is our priority and focus every day.
We are focusing on digitalizing our processes. This includes a complete digital workflow and state-of-the-art equipment for our employees to be able to work remotely.
Controlling and finance play an important role in our company. Providing management with the right information for management decisions is essential.
Purchasing is not only about the cheapest price. It is a stable relationship management with our supplier to ensure competitive cost, but also quality, delivery condition, and social and environmental sustainability of supply.
If I have to describe HF in a few words, I would say successful, technical, reliable, and always in transformation.